Hello everyone, and welcome to the beauty of nature. I'm your host, Willow Brooks. Now let's get started.
Nature. Isn't it grand? Just look at how beautiful this world is. Look at all the lush greenery around us. Yeah, definitely not concrete and cement. It's all green. Very, very green. Luscious. Yeah. Let's take a closer look at everything, shall we?
Just look at all of this amazing greenery we have around. Oh, by the way, I have a camera person now. Say hi! I found them on the street. Wasn't it so nice? They just volunteered to be the camera guy. Anyway, there's just so much to explore here. I mean, just look at the river, roaring river, teeming with life. Wow. Okay, everyone, we gotta be real quiet here, because what we have spotted are some rare live animals, some beautiful wildlife. Just look at all of the magnificent tall trees of this forest. So large and lush